Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will see next set of text functions and we are going to learn lower, upper and proper functions. All three functions are very simple to understand, so let's get started. We will cover all three functions in one shot as they require same input argument, that is text. Let's start with lower function. This function converts each letter of input text into lowercase. Upper function will convert each letter of input text into uppercase, and following the same logic, proper function converts only first letter of each word into uppercase, and when such words form a text or sentence, we term it as proper case. Let's go back to Excel and see an example. We will take this text, red apples are delicious, as input, and let's convert it into all three cases. First, let's see lowercase. Let's add lower function. Select cell F6 as input text. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. We will see all letters of input text gets converted into lowercase. Next, let's add upper function. Select cell F6 as input text. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. We can see all letters of input text gets converted into uppercase. Finally, let's add proper function. Again select cell F6 as input text. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. We can see only first letter of each word gets converted into uppercase. This format is known as proper case. Hope these functions are very simple to understand, and that's what I wanted to cover in this video.